This week on Sailing Britican, we set sail for an 18-hour voyage to St. Martin for a full week of maintenance.
Well, here she is, the new Redmond furler.
The davits get some work done, a new freezer pump is installed, while Britican gets a good cleaning from top to bottom.
You're rather spotless. Basically, we have what they call a GTI rig.
And some potential boat buyers get a live personal tour from Simon.
Hi, I'm Simon from Sailing Britican, and we help people become more confident sailing cruisers.
Where are we headed?
We're headed to St. Martin to go get the new furler, and I've ordered a new pump.
All right, Antigua, see you later.
Yeah.
In 10 days.
Something like that.
Skipper Simon.
Yeah, and I have to say well done to Jason. First time bringing the anchor, he did fantastic. Well done.
Winds were not what we expected them to be.
Well, no, it's coming down the island, so I'm hoping that when we go around it'll be more what they forecast. So we got about 1.5 miles before we turn, and then it's a straight shot to St. Martin. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn, we're going to bring the main over, and then I've got a preventer on. And because I normally attach it through a block here, but because we've got the staysail on, that's using that block, so I've got to put it really quite far forward. So I've got to do that, and then we'll get the staysail up, switch the engine off, and hopefully we'll sail.
The staysail only stayed out for a bit. The motor stayed on, and I went down below to cook up some hot dogs for us while underway. The sunset at sea that night was stunning. Simon saw the rare green flash that was once thought to be a myth. Just before the sun goes below the horizon, the Earth's atmosphere acts as a prism and lens, causing a flash of green. "100 miles and 18 hours later, working 3-hour watch shifts, we make it to St. Martin. And that turquoise water started showing up. In fact, Skipper Simon timed the trip so good, Britican arrived to the 9:30 bridge opening 8 minutes early. How do you pick a spot to park?
Here, luck and judgment, because it's so shallow for us. So there's only two main places where I can go. One's over there and the other one's around the back. That one's totally full. And I'm sort of hoping to go up behind some boats over here. Wish me luck.
I think I called it parking. It's anchoring.
Yes.
Can you call it parking?
No.
Okay, anybody having a spare part for Loughlin windlass, give Ivy a call. Anything more to buy, sell, swap, any items you're looking for. Another story.
Most islands have cruisers net, and they're organised by the cruisers, and they give out weather information, buy, sell or trade was we're talking about then, anything that's going on in the island, and if anyone needs any help. It's really good. It's a good place to get information, and you can get help or help somebody else out, and tells you what's going on the island.
Is it on the same channel everywhere? Or?
No, this one's on channel 10, and the one in Grenada is on 6A, some are on 6-7. They're all different, but you just can find out where they're what channel they're on, and you can listen to them at certain times, generally early in the morning.
You just ask other cruisers, like...
Yeah, or you get a booklet, you can find out that way. One blue female, one blue male.
It was a full week of maintenance, starting with a new freezer pump. Then our buddy Trevor cleaned Britican's bottom before we took her to the docks for the new furler motor installation.
Your rudder's spotless.
Okay.
The hinge is cleaned out nicely.
Brilliant.
The prop's good, but it really needs a sand or a brush, you know.
Yeah, okay.
When you out next?
July.
I mean, the bottom's not bad, you know.
No, it comes off quite well, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's that Antigua, that furry stuff.
No, it's from here.
Is it here?
Yeah, here.
How long does it take to build up like that?
So probably in this lagoon about 2 months, but outside it'd take about 6 months to be like that. It's just really builds up so much quicker here.
Excited?
Yeah, looking forward to it. Yeah, get a proper sail back on and new furler on. Can't wait to see how it works.
While the FKG crew worked on the new furler motor, Simon and I worked on cleaning Britican.
Well, here she is, the new Reckman furler. Absolutely beautiful, and got it taken off. They dropped the whole rig, took it off, cleaned it all up, put the new one on, put it back on. The electrics are in, and it works great.
We even had time for some fishing. With the help of a heavy-duty magnet and about 10 minutes of patience, I managed to find Simon's channel lock pliers that had gone overboard at the dock during the day.
Look at that. Ha-ha! What's the plan this morning and today?
Plan is we're going to anchor up, and then I've got a dentist and a doctor's appointment.
Normal stuff.
Normal stuff.
After a morning of normal stuff, Simon got ready for a big call. A potential buyer for Britican wanted a live video tour.
Hello. Basically, we have what they call a GTI rig. She's got a fin keel. I take this off, and this attaches to a D-ring, which is back here, yeah, just before the shrouds. Before you put it back in, you give it a light sand.
Right, so how long do you think the copper coat like this one will last?
Oh, this one will last because they messed up, and then they did it again. It's got more copper coat on than any other boat in the world, probably.
Britican may be on the market, but her journey continues. Next week, the 19-hour sail back to Antigua as we get her ready for the next Britican experience. And we're welcomed with a beautiful sunrise.
Thanks for joining us. Bye!